So good morning students, welcome to Narayana live classes. My name is Ajay. So class 6, the topic is units and dimensions, assignment number 17. So let us see the first question. The general formula of area is, we know that area is equal to length into breadth. So therefore, according to the options, length into breadth, first option is correct. Okay students, so let's go with the second question. If we see the second question, the general formula of volume is, so if we take volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So according to the options, volume general formula is length into breadth into height. Second option is correct. So let's go with the third question. If we see the third question, the general formula of density is, so if we take the physical quantity density is equal to mass occupied per unit volume so that's why according to the formula we can take density is equal to mass by volume. So first option is correct. So let's go with the fourth question. If we see the fourth question, the dimensional formula of area is, now here we need to identify the dimensional formula, as we know that area is equal to length into breadth. So length is also having unit meter and breadth is also having unit meter. So meter into meter, it is meter square. So the power of meter is 2. So meter is having the dimensional symbol, the meter dimensional symbol is, the meter dimensional symbol is capital L. So there are no other quantities like mass and time. It is having only dimensional symbol L and we are having only meter square. Therefore, the dimensional formula of area is, the dimensional formula of area is mass is not there, so m power 0, meter is having power 2, so that's why it is L power 2, time is not there, so it is T power 0. So according to the options, m power 0, L power 2 and T power 0. So that's why third option is correct. Now let us go with the fifth question students. If we see the fifth question, dimensional formula of volume. Now according to the general formula of volume, as we have seen, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is having unit meter, breadth is having unit meter and height is also having unit meter. So meter into meter into meter, so that's why it is meter cube or cubic meter. So the meter is having the dimensional symbol, so the dimensional symbol of length, the dimensional symbol for length, it is L and we are having the meter power is 3. So therefore we are not having the other quantities. So the dimensional formula of volume is m power 0, L cube and T power 0. Now according to the options, m power 0, L cube and T power 0. So that's why second option is correct. This is fifth question students. Now let us see the sixth question, the dimensional formula of density. So if we see the general formula of density, the general formula of density is mass by volume. So mass is having the dimensional symbol capital M, and volume is having the dimensional formula L power 3. When we take this L power 3 to the numerator, then it will become M L power minus 3. Time is not there, so that's why T power 0. So the dimensional formula of density is M L power minus 3 and T power 0. So third option is correct. Thank you.